Squats is one of the best exercises you can do, like for real. Full body workout. It's gonna challenge so many different things. And I feel like the squat can be applied to life in general. So if you're not squatting and you can squat, make sure you start incorporating some barbell squats into your routine. Not too bad. One thing I do gotta get better with is, I don't know if you noticed on that last set, I was really trying to find my footing. I don't know why. It took me a little bit longer than usual to find my footing. I found it in a couple sets, but that last set, I don't know why, but it was a little off. Legs a little shaky too, I ain't gonna say anything fake on that. But I'm gonna be real with y'all. Once you unrack that weight, do as I say, not as I do. Do me a favor and make sure that you get your foot placement 100% solid before you start digging into your squats, just to make sure everything is lined up nice and right for the most part. But that's not too bad, not too bad. I'm looking forward to what the future holds, you feel me? But I am learning too as I go along, because remember, it is muscle memory when it comes down to you not doing a movement in a while, but also do understand that depending on how long that while was, you are technically reintroducing your body to a new movement. So for me, I'm still understanding my squat and squat form, like I said, because I haven't squatted in quite some time. But I'm gonna be 100% real with you. This is the last time I take squats out for as long as I did. Next time I'll make sure that I just scale back on the weight. But overall, I'm not taking no goddamn squats out for this long. And the crazy thing to say that, this is without a doubt my favorite movement. I love squats. Because no other exercise for me gives me that same exhaustion that I get from doing squats. That's one of the main reasons why I love squats, man. Squats is one of the best exercises you can do in general, like for real. Full body workout. It's gonna challenge so many different things. And I feel like the squat can be applied to life in general. So if you're not squatting and you can squat, make sure you start incorporating some barbell squats into your routine. I'm not a big fan of goblet squats. I feel like they're a waste of time just because I can't load my body the way that I want. Not saying that they're not useful. You can definitely get what you want out of them. But the only times I generally like doing goblet squats, if it's a point that I haven't been doing front squats, I'll do the goblet squat to kind of prep my body for the front squat. But this time around, I'm just gonna throw the front squats in. Or you can use goblet squats too as a finisher for the most part. So like if it's a situation where you can't get to a squat rack because the gym is packed, then I'll just go ahead and do goblet squats for the most part. But we about to get to the next exercise. After today, I'm definitely gonna do leg curls or leg extensions before I do these. I feel like you get so much more out of your legs, mainly out of your squat. It's like the first time I actually just did some bodyweight movements and then went into squats in a long time. And this made me realize from now on, 100% for sure, I will even do leg curls, doesn't matter if it's lying or seated, as well as leg extensions, just to get some more blood in those quads, man. My quads do feel a little stiff, but it is what it is. Let's get it.